Using Django, we want to show the PDF files as for the list of PDF documents. Once I'm clicking the particular document, fetching from the server, return back to the browser, showing the document information. This is clear, but the problem, certain thing. Suppose the PDF file is okay. Suppose the media, considering the media document, media file. Uh, Suppose we want to, just like PDF, we want to show the media content and video tag. Suppose we are calling for the media tag. Suppose over the network infrastructure, the Django is trying to play the video content. It is depending on the factors of size of the video, size of the video file, as usually the length of the video player. Actually, this some film, the film having a 2 hours 29 minutes as a video content. Suppose I'm playing, suppose we are calling into the Django as a backend having a video content. Suppose I am requesting to the Django as a video content. Actually, where actually the video content is fetch from Django. Django is requesting to the where the Django server is running, the media stored on the file system, fetching the file system, the media content to the client side. What happened? The file size is 1 GB is more than certain size. The bandwidth occupancy of network, once reaching to the client, then only the video is start start to play the video content. Suppose we are going for the network side. Suppose I'm playing video content. Here, video is playing. Every certain time period, the automatically client requesting it to the server. Certain time period, the chunk will be get back to the client. The client trying to play the video content. This thing is fine. As usually, the PDF file also is fine. Suppose I'm selecting one more PDF. Is getting the study of the design, digital design. Suppose we want to read the certain documents. In file system, the lots of file formats, the PDF, media content, MP4, other file types, uh, JSON, something, image, everything. Suppose we are going for the file system side as a Windows. We need to, suppose we want to play the video content on MP4. We are approach for the VLC player to play on the machine on Windows or Linux. The based on the operating system, the software support will be different. As usually, suppose we want to show the PDF documents, we are approach the Adobe Reader on Windows or Linux. The difference, different the software products support to show the video content, the document of PDF. As usually, now we are seeing operating system side on file related support, how we are show the document. As usually, Django side, we are showing same media content. We are showing the playing the video content. As usually, we are showing the PDF document on Django. See, this is the what happened. We are going for the Django. Django Django is follows the model concept. The model, based on the ideology of DBMS or DBMS and the concepts, we are building the um, uh, we are building the model based on the case of scenario. We are authentication, authorization, consent, view of the data projection. It will be different. Suppose we are considering a apart from the file content. Suppose I have a uh, lots of e-library, means lots of electronic books I have. Digital books copy, means in the past I studied. Suppose example use case, I completed my BTech and MTech. At the time of completion of education, we are referring certain books, we are learning some courses, we are approaching certain books. Similarly, we are approaching our interest. Suppose we are regularly watching action and thriller movies, some Udemy related courses. We are having a torrent videos regarding the courses. Sometimes we are forgetting the video content. We sometimes it is required to revision. This data and all we are collected on the hard disk. Up to now it's okay. What happened once we are going for the Django? We want to approach. We have already the one TB hard disk having a file content, means the action movies, something thriller movies, various interested movies, means Telugu action movies, English action movies, Hindi action movies, Hollywood, Bollywood. So various movie collections is available. Hard disk all, and as usually PDF document also is available. When you are connected your laptop, then only you can utilize what are the your backup copy of hard disk information you can able to refer. Sometimes you have a laboratory want to embedded system, some repair works is happen based on the circuit diagrams, you want to refer the certain diagrams. All those information you have on hard disk. Now every time you need to refer those documents over the certain network. That time Django, how we can approach. Suppose we are going for the Django side, we need to RDBMS on the model. RDBMS. First, we need to build the models as usual. The maintain the similar patient. We need to maintain the file system on the Django static or the media content. We need to put it on our documents on there. Here, what is the drawback? But Django RDBMS concept is the okay for certain limitation when data related the concerns. Uh, some of the associations RDBMS, the relations, certain crucial information. Uh, uh, Approaches we need to go for the RDBMS, but it's not my approach is my file system having a hard disk having a videos, PDF documents, as usually images, some other file formats. Suppose I want to show only certain things. I want to show only PDF documents existing FTP file path. I want to show without depending Django or DBMS model concept. We are approaching some other one. How we can approach? Uh, I am interpreting Django Django to connect FTP client, fetching the FTP file system information. Just like FTP, we are calling FTP. We are fetching those information. We are written back to the parent directory. We are go for inside the folder, just like Windows. What are the folders inside? Similarly, that particular folder we want to show what are the video content. Usually, what are the documents having. Suppose we are connected hard disk. We are. having a file system related concept. Hard disk is shared as a FTP file path. Suppose I'm calling my FTP the protocol, my FTP protocol, the desktop. This desktop having a the folder SOS is usually uh, six six PDFs, one, two, three, four, 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 and one MP4 content, usually some other file formats. Fine. This file of the video, the 1.9 GB, large file. The large file, the server is reaching to the client side. We need to, the technique is streaming via chunks of, via chunks will be divided in the backend. We are taking those chunks and we are trying to play the video without buffering, able to get back the video content, able to showcase on here. This is fine. Usually PDFs also we are able to show we are seeing on the browser. Suppose I'm clicking SOS folder, the folder what are the files is available. These files will be get back. I want to show some of the PDF documents available. All extension, all those things, it will be available on here. We need to refer particular documents and we are get back. Suppose I want to just like here some of the file contents is available. No need to go that much. Here FTP server I place some new automatic control systems. The one book is here. I want to place it on the FTP file path. The file is the processing our my client PC to FTP server. What are the file system? The new file is appear on desktop folder. Same thing. It will be I'm the API to fetching here. Suppose I'm refreshing here, calling the new appearance data. It will be get back here. The what are the six books is available. Suppose the new book once is copying is completed, that book is appear on here. Over the network infrastructure, be able to study the updated new book. This thing this type of thing is very helpful for the engineering students. Some of the teachers for the teaching the students, some of the lab technicians repairing works for the computer repairs, the laptop repairs based on circuit diagrams, embedded system circuit diagrams, what are the board conditions, all those diagrams every time we need to refer. Suppose I'm going parent, going desktop here, the new book, automate and control. This book is appear here. Once I'm clicking here, this one is asking to the server, get back the document on server as a PDF document. It is written back here. Based on the file content, it is taking 60 70 MB book file data having. See how much size this book. So totally 109 MB of size of the PDF. Once 109 is completed, the, the book is completed. Here the suppose we want to randomly able to read the book content, the book information, uh, without depending on RDBMS related Django model related concept. We are avoiding here only developing Django to handle the API to control API to control FTP client. We are getting the API details. We are showcasing the files as for the file content infrastructure. We are showcasing the folders. File format wise, we are giving the indication of icons. And that is fine. The backend side, the backend protocol Sandal is working on FTP protocol. We are FTP, the media content MP4 related. The data we are chunks we are sending from the server. Same arrangement we are placed on the client side. As usually, PDF file we are processing on backend based on the path of the FTP on real Linux file format. We get those information written back to the client. What will be the advantage without burden of a developer or middle person? They able to see all video files, all PDF documents, able to read the subject. This is fine. I want to interested to read some other book. Uh, Requesting the server and get back the result back to my client. What was the advantage? Suppose we are going for the regular uh, search engines. Suppose I want to see certain book, example certain document I have. I want to see certain document. What is the problem is happen randomly is getting the multiple pages. We need to check, we need to point out the correct book, something that is improper. Same such only we are repeatedly we are asking. Uh, so institutions, some of the refer books to their neighboring students. The placed on one FTP, the file server, the place all the book related content. Suppose outdated is happen, we need to name as outdated, in such a way that we show the all PDFs on Django. This way we can able to uh, using the Django, we are showing the PDF files. And backend, in the backend we are processing documents in HTTP as a file system wise we are showing using the Node.js. The API's requirement we are processing on Django. Um, some other libraries based on the file format we are showing the documents using the No, dflip library, some other libraries. Here the media, the chunks will be happen on backend. Some other without uh, e-frame tag to show all the documents. This way it will be show on the PDF documents as usually the media file based on the uh, folder where you are going. Suppose this numbering file I'm placing in some other folder. I'm copying here. See here, currently the no files is available. Copy. It's not happen. I don't know. Suppose now the video and PDF file related formats is not available. That's why it is not added on the playlist. Here also not added on the place. Once the related formats is matching, then automatically pending on the pushing toward the playlist here and here. Then the user want to the refer the video content. He want to watch the video content here. Otherwise he want to read the book content. This thing it will be helpful for the documents use cases, the many use cases, some documents, some of the researches happen, some land records, some engineering plannings, some of the draftings, some circuits we want to see, some reference for the new designs after that updating on the place, then in such a way that using the utilizing our post VM hard disk collection as a FTP servers to Django to projecting without software dependency. This thing will be uh, helpful for the cross platforms. Suppose the machine is running on server FTP server. This setup is placed in one place over the network. Who are interested to see the FTP he want to see on files want to read on browser without any private software. He able to see all the content. He able to read his own video content. He able to see his own documents. Such a way that this project will be helpful using the Django. I'm giving a conclusion for this project using the FTP protocol. We are showing the on Django side, showing the PDF file and showing the video file, video streaming. Just all those action movies. And I'm giving conclusion for this Django 2 without RDBMS, the model thing we are projecting on front end. Fine, I'm giving conclusion for showing